What term is used to describe a minor crime? Felony, misdemeanor, infraction, violation. The correct answer is misdemeanor. What is the hardest natural substance known? Quartz, topaz, diamond, obsidian. The correct answer is diamond. What is the name of Boeing's spacecraft that experienced a high-profile failure in 2024? Starliner, Orion, Dragon, New Shepard. The correct answer is Starliner. The Tyrrhenian Sea is part of which larger sea? Mediterranean Sea, Caribbean Sea, Red Sea, Adriatic Sea. The correct answer is Mediterranean Sea. What ancient city was buried under volcanic ash from Mount Vesuvius? Babylon, Troy, Carthage, Pompeii. The correct answer is Pompeii. Which country is credited with inventing the game of chess? China, India, Iran, Egypt. The correct answer is India. What is the most abundant gas in the universe? Helium, oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide. The correct answer is hydrogen. Which explorer completed the first circumnavigation of the globe? Christopher Columbus, Ferdinand Magellan, Vasco da Gama, Francisco Pizarro. The correct answer is Ferdinand Magellan. What type of animal is a Komodo dragon? Amphibian, reptile, mammal, bird. The correct answer is reptile. What planet has a year shorter than its day? Venus, Mercury, Mars, Jupiter. The correct answer is Venus. Which civilization built the legendary city of Tikal? Aztec, Inca, Maya, Olmec. The correct answer is Maya. What is the largest land carnivore on Earth? Tiger, grizzly bear, polar bear, lion. The correct answer is polar bear. Which metal was once more valuable than gold in ancient Rome? Silver, tin, platinum, lead. The correct answer is platinum. What is the closest star to Earth after the Sun? Betelgeuse, Alpha Centauri, Sirius, Proxima Centauri. The correct answer is Proxima Centauri. What type of rock is formed from cooled lava or magma? Sedimentary, metamorphic, igneous, fossil. The correct answer is igneous.